This is a media production course like no other. The very first thing that we do on this course is to help the individual to realise what they're about, where their interests lie, where their passions are. We've got students interested in working with horses or scuba diving, sport, music or fashion. And it's about bringing those things together with your particular interest in, say, radio or film, TV, social media, podcasting, whatever it might be. The course is taught by people who've actually worked in the industry, who are passionate about working with students and sharing that knowledge. One of the great things about Cardiff is that it's such a vibrant hub for media. You've got BBC, you've got ITV, you've got Bad Wolf, Netflix film here all of the time. Every single year we have students who secure work in the industry before they even graduate. Media production at USW is about helping you to find who you are and connecting you with your future.